Hey guys, welcome back on Maggie for our channel. Today I'm gonna cook with my brother.
I do cooking classes at school, but since I'm stuck at home, I'm gonna help Ezra cook.
Yeah.
Today we're gonna show you what to do with boiled eggs after Easter.
We have boiled eggs right here. And these ones look like a dinosaur look.
And what is this?
What's it called? Garlic,
And then?
magenta,
And then what is this?
snail.
Yes.
And we have a bowl.
To put.
Yes, with egg. First, we're gonna clean the eggs.
So now we're gonna grate the eggs, and I'm gonna show Ezra how to do it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, which one should we start with? This one? Okay. So go like this non-stop, okay?
Okay.
You saw how I do it?
Yeah.
Be careful so you won't like cut yourself. So put your hand like this and push down this time. Now we're gonna put the eggs in the big bowl.
Yes.
It's going.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like garlic. Wow.
I know.
We like to season it with vegeta, but you can just do salt and pepper.
Oh, that's good.
Now we're gonna add some mayo.
Whoa.
Keep mixing, I'll keep adding.
I like to eat with the bread.
And I like to eat it with pita chips. Yeah, okay.
It's kind of hard.
This tastes good, yeah?
I don't eat this.
You will. This is yours.
Oh, where's yours?
Alright, chips. Here. Here's your bread.
It's so big.
It's good. If you have extra eggs boiled from Easter, you should try to make this.
You like it, guys.
We made a sandwich for him because he loves this stuff. For you? Whoa.
I want more.
Here, hold it. You can hold it here. For you? Do you like it? Mm-hmm.
I have so chips.
Here.
I love chips a lot.
You like it? It's extra.
There's extra too.
Wow.
You like it? Whoa.
It's okay, it's good.
Yeah.
No. You have your own sandwich, stop.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe and like
Click the bell.
to never miss a video.
Yes.
Bye.